Guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Karina, and in today's video I'm gonna be doing this blue look that I got going on. Now listen, I know I've been MIA for a good minute. I do touch base on it a little bit in the video. Long story short, retrograde, PMS are the two reasons why I haven't been on here. I wish I had a better excuse for you guys, but I really don't. But anyways, that's enough chit chat for now. I really hope you guys like this video. Again, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Also, don't forget to press the notification bell. That way you guys can get notified when I do upload. And so yeah, I really hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Hey guys, so it's been a minute since I've been on here. But before anything, let's get started with this look. Today I'm gonna do a blue look to match the blue hair. So I already went ahead and did my brows because you all know it's gonna take me life. And I put my concealer and powder all over the eye area. We're gonna go in with this blue right here, and I am going with a super fluffy brush. Oh my god, my hand's all dirty. So I'm adding that blue with a super fluffy brush, like I said, and I'm just putting it right above my crease because I'm gonna do like this smoky blue look. I done my hair last week and I bleached the front little like curtain bang thingies. So last night it was already looking a little like orangey yellow, you know, from the bleach, because I had it like bleached blonde, and it was already looking a little orangey yellow. So I decided that it would be a fabulous idea to put blue hair dye with conditioner, thinking that it was just gonna like mattify it, you know. Like, long story short, I now have blue hair, so I just gotta wait for it to wash off. Okay, I went ahead and did the other eye off camera because I couldn't talk and do my makeup at the same time. I'm getting some of that blue again on another fluffy brush, but this one's a little bit more like compact, I guess. And I'm gonna go right at my crease. And we're gonna go all the way into the inner corner. From inner corner to outer corner. So like, you're kind of doing like this shape. Well, let me tell you guys where I've been, because I think the last time I uploaded was about 3 weeks ago. So the reason I've been MIA is because retrograde had me feeling some type of way. I was in like this huge funk. I did not feel like filming. I did not feel like doing my makeup. I don't know, like I was just unmotivated and nothing was like coming to my mind about filming or just nothing. Like, I was just in this really bad funk. So retrograde ended November 3rd. And which was last week. Barely starting to like get back in the groove of like doing my makeup and stuff. And then I started PMSing. So it was just like one thing after another. So yeah, that's where I was. I mean, I was here, but I didn't want to put a video out there and then it'd be kind of half-assed, because I just wasn't in the mood. Like, I wasn't motivated by anything. I had no inspiration, and it was just, I don't know, guys. I get in this funk and I don't know what to tell you. I think it's something hormonal. Like, yes, I think retrograde had a lot to do with it, but my PMS is really bad. Really bad. Like, to the point where I don't function at all. But anyways, back to the makeup. So yeah, that's pretty much where I've been, you guys. I'm going in with the first fluffy brush, which is this one. And I'm just kind of blending out that top part so it doesn't look so harsh. I wasn't recording and I just talked for like 3 minutes straight about, I don't even know. See guys, I'm rusty. I'm trying to get back into the groove. I added this shimmery shadow, which is catty corner to the blue, on the lid using just my finger. Literally, I just tapped it on. So yeah, you guys, that's pretty much where I've been. I think I set a very unrealistic goal for myself, of uploading, you know, twice a week, or I don't even remember how many times I had said I was gonna upload. because I have 4 kids and I'm a wife and I'm the only one who keeps up this house. And to be honest, YouTube takes a lot of my time. I love it, don't get me wrong. It's just a lot. So I think that for now, I'm not gonna keep a schedule because I'm trying. My therapist says I need to be easier on myself, and I was being super hard on myself, about not uploading twice a week. But yeah, whenever you guys do get a video, know that it was like super intentional and that it's supposed to be out here, and this is what I want to put out. Like I'm confident in the content that I'm gonna put out. I'm gonna go ahead and do my liner now. I am going to use the KVD Dagger Tattoo Liner in Trooper Black, which is this one here. I don't know if I've showed it before. And we're gonna try to match the wings. Wish me luck. There was no way I could talk during that. Just FYI. I'm adding a little bit more of that shimmery shadow, but no, I'm going in with a brush because if I go with my finger, I'm gonna get it all over the liner. I'm taking a pencil brush, which is just a super small pointy brush, and I'm gonna add a little bit more of that blue so that it can look a little bit more marcado. I speak Spanglish, so don't judge me. I actually used to not speak a lot of Spanglish because it annoyed me. It was like one of the most annoying things in the world for me to hear people speak Spanglish, and now it's like, bro, what happened? But so my husband mostly speaks Spanish. My kids only speak English. They understand Spanish, but they don't speak it. So I'm all over the place. So I just speak Spanglish, and sorry for those of you who find it annoying. I felt the same way at one point, and now I'm just kind of like, it's just what it is, guys. So I'm gonna do lashes now. I am using these lashes that I got from a girl here locally. These are called Pop. Okay, so the lashes are on, and damn, they're long, you guys. But I already put them on, so there's no going back. I don't even know if this is still my shade. I need to stop using this foundation. So I'm still using the Infallible Pro Glow, but it's seriously a love-hate relationship with this foundation because I think it's what's making me break out, to be honest, because it smells a lot like alcohol, and I don't know why. Like, I don't know why every time I put it on, it stinks like alcohol. And I don't think that's good. I just put on concealer, and it is the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, which I use in all my videos. It's this one, Airspun. So I'm gonna add a lot of powder down here because I'm about to do the lower lash line, and I don't want a lot of fallout. Okay, pencil brush, same blue that we've been using this entire time. I added gel liner on the bottom because I'm gonna smudge it out a little bit right now with the blue eyeshadow, so it kind of looks a little darker than what we got going on up here. Okay, I'm gonna dust off that excess powder now. Okay, so I already added a little bit of mascara on the lower lash line. Now I'm gonna go in with my contour. Little palette that I got in my BoxyCharm. It says Real Her Cheek Trio Ultimate Glow Getter, and it comes with these 3. I'm obsessed with this for contour. I guess we could use this blush instead of my Milani one that I use in every single video. How do we feel about this blush? I feel like it's a little too shimmery and like sheer for me, but it's cute. I'm not gonna do a highlight because this is already like super shimmery, the blush. I'm just gonna do my lips now. I don't know how far I filmed into doing my lips, but I could not figure out what lipstick to wear. So I don't know where I like cut it off at. But anyways, strip down lip liner, and then Isla Jack and Hill lipstick, and then I went in with a little bit of my go-tos, the NYX Lip Lingerie, and this is in the shade Cheekies, and I just put it in the center so that it can look a little bit more orangey. But yeah, guys, that's about it for the look. What do we think? Blue is like super out of my comfort zone. It's definitely not a shade that I normally wear. But since my hair's like in a hot mess, I figured why not? My hair's not that bad, you guys. I think it's been worse before. It's just this wasn't what I was going for. I got a phone call, and then I started looking back at the footage and realized one of my eyelashes was like super wonky, so I tried to fix it. I think it looks better. I don't know. Anyways, this is the final look, you guys. I really hope you all enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoyed this look. Again, I only used 2 shadows. So yeah, this was super, this is a very easy look. I think that if you're a beginner, this is definitely a look that you can do. Again, it doesn't have to be these 2 shadows. It doesn't even have to be these 2 shades. It could be whatever. Just make it work for you. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And also do me a humongous favor and press the notification bell. It's usually next to the subscribe button. That way you can get notified whenever I do upload a video, since it's gonna be like not on a schedule anymore. So yeah, press the notification bell so you can get notified anytime that I upload a video. And yeah, that's about it. Thank you guys again so much for your support, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks. Peace and love.